In this video, I'll show you how you can add a background in Canva. Now the first option is you want to come here and go to Apps. Under Apps, you want to scroll down until you find Background. Click on Background, and in here you should be able to see some pre-made backgrounds from Canva. Now keep in mind some of these are for Canva Pro, but most of these you can use without Pro. So you simply select the background that you want, and then you can use that one. Now, if you cannot use it because it's with Canva Pro, what you can do is you can come to Elements, and then in here you can simply search for anything and add background. So you can do, let's just say, blue background, press Enter. Under Graphics, you want to press See All, and in here there will be some black backgrounds which are not Pro. So this one, you just want to fit it like this. And then to go back, you can hold down Control and push the buttons next to P to the right of P, or you can just go here and then go to Layer, and you can bring it here so you can see which button to use. Then you can move it back and forth, and that's the way that you can do it. So that's basically how you can add a background in Canva. Now this is super simple, guys, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.